Thank you for stopping by. All support appreciated. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with new episodes and content. Excuse me, y'all. I just hit this Leaf Buddy 420. It's still working too, might I say. Out of all of them, the Leaf Buddy that I've done the reviews on, the Leaf Buddy is working the best and it's lasted the longest. My Wolf, it kind of gave out on me a couple of days ago, but that's because I was using the wrong adapter to charge it with, and it says in the box to use the adapter to charge it with, or that could happen. So it finally gave out, but it lasted a long time, so I'm gonna have to get another one. Shout out to the Wolf. If you haven't seen the Wolf review though, check it out because it is a sturdy device. So thank you for stopping by, y'all. Bringing it back to the different little format and doing it like this. So I appreciate you guys, especially if you watch the whole episode, because we're gonna run it through. So today we're gonna be doing Game Natural Silver, and this is a natural leaf cigarillo. So to me that means they taking basically like the Swisher type and putting that leaf around them. A lot of people's off for the leaves right now, whether it be Fronto leaf, game leaf, rolling up the Russian cream, the backwood. It's all leaf, just different forms. So a lot of people's on the leaf, but that's what we doing right now. And also we finna be rolling up this OG cake. I don't know if you guys seen the review or not. Matter of fact, go on and get that smell right there. That's that OG cake. So we're gonna be rolling up a little bit of this. So you know, go ahead and stay tuned, cause this could be a long episode if I ran it all the way through. So we're gonna have to speed it up just a little bit. So let me go ahead and break this down right quick, and then we'll be back and get to it. So I got it all broke down. As you see, I'm using my fingers. I haven't really been using the grinder too much. It just makes it a little too, you know, a little too sandy, too much like dust. You need to keep that in there. Plus right here, this that OG cake. You know, that's the last little bit. Smells good. So, you know, I want to treat it right. But like I said, we rolling up this old natural silver game leaf right there. You know, if you can see that, it's that natural silver. See what that's all about. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And make sure you check out them interviews, because there's some more interviews coming up. A lot of stuff that goes on behind the scenes to make things happen. So, you know, just make sure you check them out. Also, of course, appreciate it. Hit that like also. But this that natural silver game leaf right here. So we just gonna go live and direct with it right now. If you like that music, that's my man Jimmy Castle. I was over there on BeatStars today, and just found out he put another one in there. So go ahead and rock with my man Jimmy Castle, because you know he's giving out some free beats. You know, if you guys haven't seen that episode, check that out also. So after you split it, you just go ahead and give it a little moisture. This depends, you know, however you want to do it. Just give it a little moisture. Get that right. You know, we doing something a little different right here. So if you watch this one, I appreciate you. Cause you know, sometimes I have the music or the beat playing. Sometimes people don't even know that there's this going on. But this is going on too, so I appreciate you guys. We just trying a lot of different new stuff to keep everything, you know, abnormal and authentic. Also, if you see these lighters right here, then links in the description, feel free to check them out. I got them on my new website. Also, just click on one of the links if you want them in there. Check out the website though, some stuff in there. All support appreciated. But if you need lighters, then go ahead and check me out one time. You know, excuse me y'all, we just keeping it rolling. Just like we finna roll this up. So basically what you do is get that all in there like that there. And tighten him up just like that. You know, everybody rolls them a little bigger or smaller. Sometimes you know, they don't hold that much, but this one looks nice right there. And you just wrap him, get him right. Get him right. See, I like to do mine more like I don't do the full fold. I just go ahead and put it together like a little puzzle every time until it all comes out to a beautiful work of art. Because as you're going down and working your way back, you're kind of rolling it in there so it's all in there nice. You're not over salvating, you're just putting it in there like that, getting it going until it all comes together. You know, with that last little piece. Just like that. And then voila. See that there? Ready to go. You know? So this is that natural silver. And we gonna go ahead and, you know, grab one of these lighters. Like I say, these is, you know, custom lighters. So check me out, they in the links. I've been getting hated on a lot in a few departments. So I gotta bring it to my supporters and subscribers, man. If you guys need some lighters, then go ahead and check me out. Because I got them. You might see something you like also. You know, if it's something that you would like on there, not as far as custom, but maybe an image or something, let me know. We're not at the custom level yet, but I'm trying to figure it out. But also I got some other stuff on the website as well that, you know, check it out. So this that natural silver. I taste the natural. I don't really know about the silver. But what you think? Tell me what you think. Yeah. I definitely tasted the natural. You know, after a while, you know, with so many different flavors and everything going on, and what y'all think about this OG cake though? Hit that. Yeah, after a while with so many different flavors and all this other stuff going on. After a while, like, you might need a little break and take a little natural break. So I don't know where they got the silver from, but you know, right now it seems like Game, they kind of cornering up the market a little bit, because a lot of people are smoking them. As you can see, the White Russian, the Cognac. Oh, that's Optimo. You get the picture. Black Cherry. So it's a lot of different ones. But right now, we smoking on this OG cake. And everything is great, huh? Yeah. And smoking on this Game Natural Silver. So I'm not gonna take up too much more of your time. I just wanna let you know that I appreciate you guys, especially if you made it this far, you know, staying, smoking with me. You know, I appreciate all the support. So even if you don't subscribe, hit the like, share the video, drop a comment. No such thing as a bad comment. All support appreciated. So just keep, you know, yeah, that cake is working right there. The cake is working. And on that note, hit that. And until the next time.